Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm talking about lunar eclipses in 2022. The first total lunar eclipse, it happened on 16th of May 2022 at 7:14 minutes and 7 seconds AM Romanian local time. This eclipse is visible from South and West Europe, South and West Asia, Africa, much of North America, South America, Pacific, Atlantic, Indian Ocean and Antarctica. This eclipse is in Scorpio, Moon in Scorpio and Sun in Taurus on the houses 6 and 12. The ascendant of the chart is in Gemini, and Mercury, that is ruling Gemini, is retrograde exactly in Gemini. So it's about the importance of daily routine, health, and the way that we are working environment, also the way that we serve others, and also it's about our inner self, how much importance we are giving to our inner self. Here should be make a balance between these two areas of life, and this can happen with the help of Saturn in Aquarius, that is in conjunction with midheaven, because it's a T-square that is formed between the total lunar eclipse aspect, Moon south-north and Sun north-north and Uranus, together with Saturn and midheaven in Aquarius. This means that the knowledge, the connection with our philosophy, the connection with education in a very profound way can help us to balance these areas of life. Also commitment, patience and perseverance, and strategic thinking on the long run. The Moon in Scorpio, and Scorpio is ruled by Mars, and Mars is in Pisces with Neptune. It is forming a trine in water signs between Moon and Mars. This means that we can be assertive and able to motivate ourselves, and we have the ability to recognize opportunities and make the most of them. So we can accept the challenges in professional life, be more creative, imaginative, intuitive, and also to be focused. The planets from 12th house in Taurus are ruled by Venus, and Venus in Aries in 11th house. It means that we have the opportunity to restart our inner self. It means to make a refresh, a new beginning about ourselves. It means that we can make a cleaning in our habits to have a new way of being. And between Mars in Pisces and Jupiter in Aries is forming a mutual reception, because Jupiter is ruling Pisces and Mars is ruling Aries. So these two planets are helping each other and gives us confidence, energy, courage. We can be interested in travel and religion, and also it's a good time to start to practice a sport. As you can see, most of the planets in this chart are above the line of ascendant, descendant. And the chart is a diurnal one, and Jupiter and Saturn are in the dignity of highs. The other eclipse is total lunar eclipse that is forming on 8th of November 2022 at 2 minutes and 7 seconds p.m. in Romanian local time. This eclipse is visible from Asia, Australia, North America, parts of Northern and Eastern Europe, and most of South America. This chart has ascendant in Pisces with Neptune and Jupiter there, both of them retrogrades, and the aspect of eclipse is on the axis of knowledge and education. Moon in Taurus in 3rd house and Sun in Scorpio in 9th house. And also it's forming again a T-square between this lunar eclipse and Saturn in Aquarius in 12th house. Also because Jupiter in Pisces is in own rulership. It's retrograde and is forming a trine with the planets from Scorpio from the 9th house. It means that it's time to get a better education, to learn something that maybe we postpone or we didn't do it in the past, and now it's an opportunity to start an educational project, or it's about traveling, or it's about everything linked with religion and our beliefs and philosophy of life. Moon in Taurus is in exaltation with Uranus, so it means that we have to use our inner resources to be inventive and independent, to use all the ideas and conventional, to become more practical in our communication, and try to overcome feelings of discontent and insecurity. Maybe there it's a moment of inner lack of self-esteem. But once you have learned to value yourself, you will find your self-confidence growing. So it's about testing of our self-confidence and to strengthen our inner self, to have faith in our life, to enjoy the travel in this life, to learn something new, to learn to communicate better, to use information in a better way, because all the planets in Scorpio 9th house are ruled by Mars that is retrograde in Gemini. This means that we have to take care of how we use information and communication in learning process. Here it's a square between Mars retrograde and Neptune, and this means that we all have the ability to develop great creative power, but we need to avoid all kind of escape tools. Also, there are risks of allergies or food intolerance. The planets of the 3rd house, Moon, Uranus, are ruled by Venus, and Venus is in opposition to Scorpio. It means that here it's an emotional intensity, but also can give a great focus. And the motivation of focus, mainly, it's about an emotional trigger. Important is to not become stuck on certain ideas and try to be flexible in your mind, because there can be some difficulties to communicate your thoughts or ideas. Don't become stubborn or don't have too many fixed ideas. Try to change if it's the case. The chart is a diurnal one because Sun is over the ascendant descendant line. The most powerful planet in this chart is Saturn in 12th house in Aquarius. It's in highs. Here it's a moment of examination of hidden realms that may help you to conquer your fears, because you are able to work with groups and to have original and innovative ideas. And you can use all of this in group activities. So I wish you all good luck and try to use these moments to have a better life. Bye bye.